What I am going to do is take you back to Progress Village, which was my 6th grade center, not too far from here. And that particular day at Progress Village, we were having, it was a school-wide hearing test. So we were in the media center, and all the kids were lined up in the media center. There was one chair, much like this one here, and a pair of headphones. And so one by one, each student would sit down in that chair, and then they would lift their hands every time they heard a beep. Heard a beep on the right, you lifted your right hand. Heard a beep on the left, you would lift your left hand next to your ear. So one by one, each student sat down, beep, 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 up, went back up to class. I sit down in that damn chair, and I wait for the beeps. I wait for the beeps. Beeps didn't come. So I'm thinking, there's something going on with this machine. I'm not quite sure. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm really confused. Before I could figure it out, I get jerked up out of that damn chair, and I get taken to the back of the line while all of my friends are laughing and snickering because they think I'm screwing around. Oh, what's Christy doing here? I wasn't screwing around. So I was told to go back to the end of the line and figure out what I had done wrong and figure out a way to do it right next time. So I had about 3.5 minutes to study the beeps that the kids were doing in that damn chair. Maybe twice on the right, twice on the left. Oh, but wait a minute, the next person, it was a little bit different. I've got to figure this out. There are 3 more kids in front of me. I got to figure this out, and it keeps changing. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to pass this test because I'm not going to get in trouble again. It's my turn to sit down in that chair, and I just start lifting my hands. I think I said a prayer right before. I start lifting my hands. I failed. I didn't hear the beeps. The beeps never came. I got yanked out of the chair once again, and at about that point, another parent volunteer, who, they weren't trained for this kind of thing, decided, gee, maybe Christy's not hearing the beeps. It is a hearing test after all, and that's why we're here, to see if the kids can hear or not. So thank God for that parent, because otherwise I think I would have been sent to the principal's office for screwing around.